Hi guys, welcome back to my channel which is Mother's Flavor, and I am Nikita, and today I'll be showing you guys as to how to make Paneer lababdar. Paneer lababdar is a sabzi which you might have definitely ordered or had it in a restaurant. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys as to how to make it at home. If you really like what I'm showing today, then do hit the like button, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. To make Paneer lababdar, we'll be needing the following ingredients. We'll be needing 2 chopped tomatoes. These tomatoes are medium in size. I have taken 1 medium-sized onion, which is again finely chopped. I have taken about 5 to 6 cashews and 1 green chili. I have 1 bay leaf here, 2 elaichis and 4 longs, which is cloves, and elaichi is cardamom. And here I have some masalas. This is garam masala, this is jeera masala, this is roasted dhania masala powder. All of this is about 1 teaspoon in measurements. I have some garlic and ginger, which is finely chopped. This is some salt, and salt is according to your taste. Some kasuri methi, some paneer, and some water. I have used about half a tablespoon of oil. So use 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. To make our Paneer lababdar, first we'll add in cloves and cinnamon. We'll add in some cashews, then some tomatoes, and some ginger and garlic. Add in some water. We'll cover it and we'll let it boil on medium-high flame for about 5 minutes, and we'll check it after 5 minutes. Now our 5 minutes are done. We'll check it if it is done. Yes, it is cooked. It's cooked. See how well the tomatoes are getting smashed in, and it's cooked really well. Ensure when you're blanching the tomatoes to not add excess water. If you add excess water, you have to boil it for a longer time just to reduce the water content. So add very little water. Keep it aside and cool it down for some time. Once it's cooled, we'll blend it into a mixer. So while our blanched tomato mixture is cooling down, we'll heat a pan and we'll add in some oil. Once our oil is heated, we'll add in bay leaf to this. So add in some chopped onions. We'll have to saute these onions. Turns golden brown in color. These onions are getting sauteed. Blend our tomato mixture in a blender. As you can see, our onions have changed their color and they've become golden brown. Now we'll add in our blended mixture. We'll saute this for about a minute. We'll add our spices. We'll add in our red chili powder. I have just taken 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you like your sabzi to be really spicy, you can also add another half a teaspoon. Add in some roasted dhania powder, some roasted cumin powder. Mix in all of this together. Add in some water to this. Don't add a lot of water at once. Mix it, check for the consistency that you want, and if you need, then add a little more water. Just close the lid and we'll just let it simmer. Now as you can see, it has got boiled. Now we'll add in some garam masala, green chili, and some kasuri methi. Let's give it a stir. After adding in our chili, kasuri methi and garam masala, now we'll add in the paneer. Add in some salt to taste. Now we'll close the lid and let it come for a boil. After adding the salt, you can also add cream to this, but that is optional. So now As you can see, our curry is getting boiled right now. Turn off our heat and it's ready to get served in our serving bowl. We'll garnish it with some spring onions and some crushed paneer. So there you go, our paneer lababdar is ready.